What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is a review slash tutorial on this Revlon one step hair dryer and a volumizer. It's an hair dryer, round brush, and also it is kind of paddle brush because it is oval, so it gives you that paddle brush effect. It's an amazing brush. It does blow out and style at the same time. It gives amazing lift to your hair. And it has those burl brushes inside, which gets really like tension and grip on your hair. Like, and if you have really texture hair or like curly hair, it really pulls it, which you really need it if you have a curly hair or texture or frizzy hair. Like all in one, it gets the job done really good. And today I'm gonna show you guys how I style and blow out my hair using this Revlon one step hair dryer and volumizer. So if you guys want to see how I blow out my hair using this Revlon one step hair dryer and volumizer, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you guys don't miss out any of my future uploads. And without further ado, let's start with the video. So first I'm gonna go ahead and use this big sexy hair mousse, and I just spread it on my palm like so and just work it on my root. So it gives like really texture and lift on your hair. Like that. Then I'm just gonna put some on the bottom part of my hair. Just like work it out like that. Heat protector, and the one I'm using is from T. I love this one. It's so freaking good. I love the smell. Like, oh my god, I can't recommend you guys this enough. Like, I'm telling you guys, you need to have this. So if you guys are looking for a good heat protector, then I'm telling you guys, get this one. So I'm just gonna roughly spread this all over my hair. Okay, now we're gonna start with the tutorial. But before I do, I just want to quickly mention that this one, you guys never want to use it on your wet hair. Never. Don't use it on your wet hair. You always want to make sure your hair is 80% dry, because it does get hot. Like, it got hot. They do have the cool option right here. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me get closer. No, sorry, but yeah, it does have cool, low, and high. But either way, I can recommend you guys to use it on the wet hair, because not only that, it's gonna take a while. It's gonna take a while. You don't want this things so close to your hair for it to get all dry, because as you guys can see, my hair is like quite dry. Like, it's damp. Like, it's perfect for me to use it right now. Like, I took a shower, got ready, did my makeup. By all this time, my hair kind of got air dry. If it's not dry enough and you want to use it right away after you got out of the shower, just quickly use a hair dry and roughly dry out your hair. That's what I'm trying to say. Just don't use it on the wet hair. Anyhow, now I'm just gonna quickly start with my tutorial. So first, I'm just gonna quickly divide my hair. So like this. Okay. Like, since I have small hair, like it takes me like 3 to 4 part of my hair. Just like 3 or 4 parts. That's it. But if you have a long hair, you might wanna do more. I don't know. Okay, so I'll put my head up. Now I'm working on these two sections right here. So it's the same part, repeatedly parts. So I'm gonna show you how I do this two part. Then I might speed up my video. Okay, so I'll use it on high. And the way I like to do it is I put this under my hair to get the lift. And you wanna pull it like this slowly, so you get the lifts. Okay, that's how I do it. So let me show you guys. So I'll go on high. Do you guys see the difference? You see how smooth, the way it pulls your hair. If you have a frizzy hair, no problem. It pulls it really nice. And you can always see the difference. That's my almost dry hair, damp hair. And that's the side I used it. You see the shine it gives it to your hair? Like, it's amazing, you guys. Okay, now let me do this one and then I'll speed up the video. Okay. Okay, you guys, so I did this both parts, as you can see. Now I'm gonna do my second part. So now I'll get the second part from here, goes to my eyebrows, right here. No, do it again. Okay. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna work the second part of the hair. Okay, now this part of the hair. So I like to do something different here to get an extra lift. Who doesn't like a lift on your hair and volume, right? So it's up to you guys. If you guys want, you guys can do the way I did, part on both sides and, like, you know, drop it this way and do it. But the way I like to do it, to get those extra lift on my root, to get those extra lift, what I do is that just make a part in the middle, like so. Just okay, like this, as you guys can see. Okay, now let me make sure I did it right. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna work on this part first and then this part. Okay, so just go ahead, put this hair back with the clip right here. Okay, I'm gonna work on this part. Okay, so like that way I like to do it. Drop it on this part and then do it on this part, like this. So like a reverse. Okay, so you got those extra lift. Turn around. Okay. Go slow. Now. Again, like this. Do you guys see that lift? Okay, now we're gonna work on this part. So let me move this here. Okay, the same way we did the Back one the same, this, and then we're gonna go like this. I'm sorry if you guys can't see the whole thing, cause trying to back up so you guys can see it, okay? And like this. And that's it, guys. That's how you use this Revlon one-step volumizer. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and use it all over my hair to get any extra moisture out of my hair. It is all dry, but I'm just gonna go roughly all over my hair, okay? So I'm gonna go cool. So that's it, guys. That's how I use my Revlon One Step Hair Dry and Volumizer. Extremely in love with this one. If you guys don't have it, I highly recommend this one. You guys need this in your life. It's so freaking good. The only thing is that it does get hot pretty easily. Like, just so I try to use it on cool. So when you use it, if you're feeling the heat on your hand, that means is getting the heat on your hair too. Like, it's not good for your hair. So always make sure you guys use the heat protector, but try to use it on cool if it gets too hot for you guys. I do use it on high, but here and there I put it on cool because it does tend to get a little hot. And the best part of this thing is that it takes, for my short hair at least, it takes me 10 minutes. Depending on your hair size, it might take you 10 to 15 minutes. It gives you that perfect blow dry, like salon effect. And you get that amazing lift. You can see the lift on my hair. Like, I really have a thin hair. For that, you guys can see the bounce, the shine I get on my hair. I love this, you guys. I can't recommend you guys enough. If you guys don't have it, go ahead and get it for yourself. I'm telling you guys, you won't regret it. It makes your hair dry process so faster and easy. I will put the link down below for you guys to check it out. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and this video was a little helpful for you guys. And if you guys did like the video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my all other social media. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.